The objective of this tutorial is to work out the area between a curve and a straight line. Look at the description. The diagram shows a sketch of the curve. As you can see, it is a parabolic curve with the equation y equals x into x minus 3 and the line with the equation y equals 2x. Find the area of the shaded region OAC. We want to find the area between the straight line, the x-axis, and the curve. Before we start solving, we need to know the coordinates of certain points. We have point A, point B, which gives us the limits of where these curves intersect, and point C. Point A is on the x-axis. We know that y is 0, so we need to find A. Intersection of curve with the x-axis, we write the equation of the curve. Y curve equals y x-axis. Okay, so the y curve is x into x minus 3. Y x-axis is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. This is the first point. It is already found on the sketch, which is the origin. It is the intersection of the curve with the x-axis. Or x minus 3 equals to 0, so x equals to plus 3. So the value of the small a is plus 3. Now we want to calculate b. b is the abscissa of the intersection between the curve and the straight line. So the value of b is intersection of the curve and the straight line. Y of curve equals y of straight line. Y of the curve is x into x minus 3. The y of the straight line is 2x. Now we need to expand. X squared minus 3x. We take the 2x to the other side, so minus 2x equals to 0. X squared minus 5x is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation that is equal to 0. So we will factorize. X is common, so x into x minus 5. X is equal to 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0, so x is plus 5. The x is equal to 0 when they intersect at the origin, and the b is plus 5. Now we need to find point C. We know that the abscissa of point C is 5. We need to find the ordinate. C is a point that is on the curve and the straight line. So for x equals 5, we substitute in the equation y equals 2x. So y is equal to 2 times 5. That means the answer is 10. Now we have found the special points that are on the sketch. Intersection of the curve with the x-axis and intersection of the curve with the straight line. Okay, now we will look at the nature of the shaded region. These are the points that we found. C is 5, 10. The colored region is between the straight line, the x-axis, and the curve. So we cannot directly say that it is y1 minus y2 because we have several equations. Notice that here you have an equation for the x-axis, and here we have an equation for the curve. So we need to think logically. Area of the shaded region is the entire area of OBC. So we took the entire area of the triangle minus area of this part, which is between the curve and the x-axis. That is how we will get the shaded area. So minus area of ABC. As we said, it is between the curve and the x-axis. Again, let's see how we thought about it. First, we have this shaded area, and we said that the full area is the area of the triangle OBC, which is easy to acquire by using the formula base times height divided by 2. Then we remove the area here, which is between the curve and the x-axis. It is ABC. We will continue this in the upcoming tutorial.